Good morning. Today, we will be continuing through chapter 9. We are going to talk about hexagons again today, but instead of naming and describing them like we did yesterday, today we will talk about how we can describe a hexagon using words and math vocabulary. There might be a math vocabulary word that you haven't heard before, but I will show you exactly what it is. Let's get started. Make sure your ears are listening for a new math vocabulary word. Susie has a blue hexagon. I know it's a hexagon because it has 6 sides. In a moment, you're going to see a little worm come up across and sit, oh, there he is, on one of the sides. Perfect. Just like the arrow says, it's pointing to the side, and this is the word side. There are 6 sides altogether. Let's count the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Now, there is another part of a hexagon. This is called a vertex. Vertex just means a corner or a little point. Do you see? The worm is not on the flat side, but he's on the pointy corner, the green worm. When you have more than one vertex, it's called a vertice. So vertice and vertex mean the same thing. They mean a corner. Other shapes have a vertex also, but we just call them corners. Today, we're going to call them a vertice or a vertex. Here we go. Here is another vertex. Let's go ahead and count the others. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can say that a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Remember, a vertice or a vertex is just a fancy word to say a corner, a pointy corner. Perfect. Let's move on. Here is an orange hexagon. We're going to take a counter and we're going to place one counter on each vertice. Who remembers what a vertice is? That's right, it's a corner. Let's see if you can drag and drop a counter to each vertice. You can practice with your magic math finger, dragging along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Now, someone can come and help me select how many vertices we see, 5 or 6. Use those magic math fingers and point along with me. You're right, 6. Awesome job. Now, we're going to click on and highlight the sides of the hexagon. The sides are the flat surfaces. Now, it's a little bit hard to see because they're using a yellow highlighter on orange, but I will click along with you as we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 6. That was hard for me to click, but I'm still practicing. It's okay. All right, so take a moment of think time. How many sides did we choose? I'm going to go back and recount one more time just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you think 6, you are right. Hexagons have 6 sides and 6 vertices. Beautiful job. I will see you in a moment. Oh, it's not letting me choose. Perfect. Beautiful job. I will see you in a moment in our next video while we complete some workbook pages together.